using of get. This verb has various idiomatic applications and frequently takes a preposition or adverb after it, the two together forming a compound verb. Some meanings of the simple verb. Get means to procure, to obtain, to acquire by some means, to come into possession of. As, you cannot get admission here. He could get no employment in Bombay. Men get wealthy by industry and economy. Get means to receive without implying effort on the part of the receiver, as get a favor, get merciless, get a fall, etc. I got a long letter from Monica yesterday. They deserve the treatment they get. Get means to prevail upon, to induce, to pursue, as they have got my father to contribute. Can you not get him to prolong his visit? Get him to say his prayers. Get means to cause, to be, to have in the causative sense of that verb, as get this book sent off. He will get the work done as fast as possible. He wanted me to get ready 3 fuses. Get means to learn, to commit to memory, as to get a lesson, that is to learn a lesson. He has to get 50 lines of poetry by heart. Get means to bring into a state or place, as I got the chest down to my raft. These 2 things I got to my raft. We got all safe on shore. Get is also used intransitively in the sense of to bring oneself into a state or condition, to become or come to be, as they have got safe to land. I got on board the ship. Get sometimes has meaning of become and express the idea of gradually coming or growing into a condition, as they got rich suddenly. I am glad to know that your father has got well.